Oh, sorry, I forgot I gotta make a U-turn here. I'm gonna go down the wrong path. I might actually have to just get a little wind, what do they call it? Chin pad or wind cover on the bottom of the helmet here, just to stop all the wind coming in the helmet, because you should hear how it feels in my ears, how windy it is. Get out of here, man. Stop flipping me off. Hopefully this mic is working. I don't know. Sync it up. Whoops, I forgot my glove. Sorry. Ah, there we go. Well, hello everyone. Hopefully this mic is working, but I'm back and I have audio. Oh my god. I haven't had audio like this in one of my videos for a long time. Oh, sorry, I forgot I gotta make a U-turn here. I'm gonna go down the wrong path. So anyway, what happened, the reason why I didn't have audio from my helmet for such a long time on a lot of my videos was because, I don't know, for some reason I just had microphone problems. And as you can see, I have the GoPro Media Mod right here, but I thought that my Media Mod was, you know, crapping out on me. It wasn't registering when I put the external mic into the Media Mod that I had a mic on, and so I thought, okay, maybe it's the Media Mod. I got a second Media Mod from GoPro. Like, I sent the old one in, I told them that it was malfunctioning, and then they sent me a new one for free. And then I realized that, oh, it still wasn't working. So then I tested my mic out, because I thought maybe it was my mic that was messing up. So I tested my mic out on my other GoPro, on my Hero 7 right here, and I thought, okay, if it doesn't work here, then it's definitely the mic. And sure enough, the mic did not work on the other GoPro. So I realized that my mic was actually just crap, and it was the Purple Panda that I had for so many years. But I guess it ran its course. And so anyway, I had to get just a quick solution. So I got a cheap microphone from Office Depot and wired it up to my camera. Worked perfectly. And so now that's what you're hearing inside my helmet here. Now the only thing is how much wind gets in this helmet. I might actually have to just get a little wind, what do they call it? Chin pad or wind cover on the bottom of the helmet here, just to stop all the wind coming in the helmet, because you should hear how it feels in my ears, how windy it is. So if it is this windy on my ears, imagine how much wind is hitting the microphone. And yeah, the microphone does have the windsock. I don't know. I don't know if it's enough. So we'll see how this turns out. Kind of weird having a four-way stop right here. flipping me off. Yeah, that's right. Bad. Wow. Man, I don't know if you guys saw that, but there was that black SUV. I think it was a something Dodge Durango or whatever. He just flipped me off, man. I don't know what the hell that was. Just because I'm faster than him. Yeah, I don't really get involved with people like that. I don't need to troll them and flip them off as well, you know. I just keep going about my day. Just wave them off and, you know, give them a big thumbs down. It's a little bit more polite way of saying, you know, F yourself. So, you know, I don't want to just, you know, pull up at the same gas station after me and then all of a sudden they, you know, cuss me out and attack me. So, yeah, that's all I have to say. Hey, kitty. Love it when kids wave. Oh, it's so fun. There's the Popo. I wasn't doing anything. Nice place to pull over just to take a quick leak. All right. Go right here. All right. Well, thanks for joining me on the video. And I guess we'll see how this audio turns out. Alright? Until next time, peace.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vague.